Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about intensifiers. We are going to compare three different cultures. So the first one is the location. We have Sudan, the USA, and Colombia. Sudan is located in northern Africa, and USA North America, and Colombia in South America. But compared to Sudan and Colombia, North America is enormous. The language in Sudan is Arabic. Most of the people that live in USA, that is from USA, speaks English, and in Colombia we speak Spanish. Religion: 70% of the Sudan people speak Islam. Is Islamic. And the USA 78% of the people is Christian, and in Colombia 97% of the people is Christian. About the food, Sudan has a food that is particularly different. They used to eat typical food, so when they try another food is so different, so weird for them. They say most of the food is not healthy. They don't have a healthy diet. And in Colombia, we are extremely blessed with our food. We have a different kind of food depending on the place that you are. And about the people and the culture, they are conservative, and they use is an excellent and a perfect place if you want to know different cultures, because most of the people around the world go to the USA and there are a lot of different cultures. And about the people in Colombia, they are brilliant. You will find wonderful people in Sudan and the USA, but Colombian people are marvelous. Thank you so much.